you, brother?
Good.
Nandito na naman tayo mga kamaster sa resort. Pupuntahan natin ang ating client. So, napakainit talaga. As in, ang init. Lagi po nandito yung client natin. Magpapamassage po siya at manicure, pedicure. Ayun yung sasakyan nila na maliit. Sakay po tayo dito.
Now we yes.
Lot of foreigners, huh?
Yeah, almost.
They don't.
Not Saudi.
Not Saudi? Okay.
They are all foreigners.
55 bro.
Yeah.
This one?
Right there.
And natin mga kamaster. Sobrang init. As in, nakakaano na. Hoy brother, it's not open this one. How? Okay brother, pupunta na naman tayo. Client natin. Sobrang init. Hello mom, how are you? It's good. It's very hot today. I think. Oh, your son is there.